So we're halfway through the job. We are hoping to finish today. Today's the second day. I have the pavers ordered. They're coming today. I have the grass coming today. I have every single piece of irrigation part, and I have all the plants here, all the soils, everything. So I have everything here. I hope I What's up, YouTube? So today we have Vermeer coming over to the job site. We're gonna test a Vermeer mini skid steer because we want to pull the trigger on one of those. We have a lot to choose. This is the medium size. This is the smaller. So this feels like a toy. That's mine right there, the big size. This is mine right here. Baby boy is home. He is home and he's about to make some money.